You can see my face, how sweaty I am. So weather is changing slowly. Now no more sunshine. I think it might rain soon. This complete jungle, and I'm not able to see any way to go anywhere. Okay, I have two options from here. Either you see this cemented like a way made for water to come from up there, and I have either to follow this one or I should follow this road. Oh wow, just look up there. There's a beautiful look. Where? There. No, here. Okay, yeah, yes. Oh, perfect. Yeah, this one. Beautiful, like stream coming down from deep inside the mountain. What should I do? Okay, I'll follow the road only, because at least I'll get some people who can guide me. Yeah. Again, climbing down. Oh God, please help me. Just don't, start the rain. Please don't. I don't. This is a perfect weather. Perfect. I don't want, because I do have raincoat, but I don't have this waterproof shoes. A few years back, in 2015 I guess, Woodland launched this warm grip shoes. So it's very good. It's waterproof, and you have to charge the shoes. There's a proper charging point given in the shoes, okay, for both, and you're given a charger, so you charge it, and it will keep you warm for 4 hours. There are three different modes: low, medium, high. So at high mode, I think it can work up to 4 hours. Unfortunately, the pair which I bought was not good. The sole was coming out, so I've returned it to Woodland last week, and probably it will take 15 to 20 days to fix it, or whatever they want to do. So, and I forgot what my this Caterpillar shoes along with me. I thought it will be a good hiking, so why to get a boots. Okay, so this is the 7th curve, RD2276. I don't know what the heck does it mean. Now see this road again going up, so let me see whether they have a shortcut from here or not. There is no, there is no path. Okay, wow, the look up there, it looks beautiful, no? It's a very dense forest, full of unfriendly, what do you say, creatures. Full of. Chalo, let's walk and walk. So I'm walking. Look at the beautiful river. So main river is coming from here, and small streams joining this, coming from up there, is joining the river. This is the same stream I was showing you earlier. There is no way I can climb up there. No way. I have to go this way. They have put this sign also, 30 kilometers. Man, you don't allow. Anyways, forget it. That is another story. Weather is now pleasant, you know. Wow, it's the perfect weather, the way I want it. So I don't have any exact idea of my destination. I've seen it over the map. It is deep inside this valley, and beside just this small river, this one. So no matter what happens, like you see, it's going again. I think the road is going again back here, and then I don't know where. But I have to stick to my destination. I have to ensure that I'm always close to this river. So I have to look for the shortcuts along this river. In case, you know, it's always like, if you know your destination is beside the river, it's always good to walk beside the river only, instead of, you know, going here, there, looking for an easier path. Because even if you know, you go out of your way, it will be easy for you to camp, you know. It's always better to camp near water, near river. Yeah, but also you have to ensure, be aware of wild animals, because they do come to drink water near the river only. Okay, we have a beautiful mountain up there. Wow. भाई इतना ऊपर तो मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, ठीक है? ओके, ठीक है ना, इतना ऊपर तो मैं जाने नहीं वाला. देखते हैं, बीच में इसमें से रास्ता बनाएंगे एंड विल सी. ठीक है. एंड this type of forest in which I am going right now is not first time for me, but yes, it's very rare I go deep into this kind of a forest. It's very green, full of vegetations, full of I'm sure creatures. I don't want to name them. And I have to be aware of insects, snakes, everything, because this is their favorite terrain. A friend of mine who came here last week only, while he was in a car, so while he was coming back, he spotted 2-3 animals on his way back. So you have to be cautious, and I think slowly I am moving away from you know, I'm going deep into the forest, so no one will be there, so I should better prepare myself. I'm carrying a small axe and a survival knife with me, so I have to keep it handy. But I'll wait for a little more time, and then I'll take it out. Oh man, look again. Look, I have to go there and climb back up there. So I should probably look for a path from here to up there instead of going all the way, you know. Okay, please help me. Okay, I can see some steps here. Wow, there's some good construction done here. वैसे ज़रूरत क्या है यार यहाँ पे? But still, if you have to save the road. Oh man, look, This is little dangerous. No, looks like no one comes from here, or if they do, it's very rare. Oh man. Look who's here. Hello, hello. You're also here. Hello. Lots of them. Lots of them. Oh wow. Just look at this, beautiful. It's just awesome. Again, back. Tomorrow again I have to come back by this path only. Look how much I'm skipping. It's good. Mushrooms. There are lots of mushroom you find here in deep forest, but you should have idea which one is good, which one is bad. So as per my knowledge or my opinion, you can categorize mushroom into 3 categories. Okay, so first category is the most safest one, which you can eat. You eat as a vegetable. Second category, which is poisonous, which you cannot eat. It's very dangerous to eat. You will die. And the third category is the one which makes you high, the infected mushroom. Dude, हालत खराब हो गई चलते चलते यार. टाइम कितना हुआ चलते चलते? 4-5 मिनट और इसी में हालत खराब. Too bad stamina, Vikas. Too bad. Okay, I'll stop for a while here. And oh my god, look. This is a tail of some animal. I don't know which animal. Yes, now I'm not gonna stop here. I'll walk a little more and then I'll stop. Okay, hands up, because I don't want these plants to touch me. You're not sure which plants are, ouch, can cause any kind of a skin reaction, cause you itching or whatever. So either whenever you are in jungle, prefer wearing full sleeves. Though I have little idea, so I have not worn any full sleeves, but still I suggest you all should and avoid touching. Wow, look at this mushroom. Wow. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna stop for a while, take some rest, have a sip of water, and then I'll move.